Imagine holding the power of a high-end workstation in a device so compact it fits in the palm of your hand. That is exactly why the tech world is buzzing right now. The latest leaks surrounding the upcoming Mac Mini, powered by Apple's M5 chip, suggest something far bigger than a routine upgrade. This is shaping up to be a complete shift in how we think about desktop computing, especially in an era increasingly dominated by artificial intelligence and high-performance workflows. If you thought recent iterations were impressive, what is coming next could completely redefine expectations for a budget-friendly desktop. The current redesign of the Mac Mini already made headlines when it introduced a smaller, more refined chassis that closely resembles a miniaturized Mac Studio. Since that design is still fresh and widely praised, it is very unlikely to change in the 2026 refresh. Apple typically sticks with a successful industrial design for several years, and in this case, there is no reason to fix what is not broken. The real transformation is happening internally, where the new M5 and M5 Pro chips are expected to deliver a massive leap in both performance and efficiency. Early benchmark leaks paint a very exciting picture. The standard M5 chip is rumored to reach single-core scores exceeding 4,300, while multi-core performance could approach 17,700. These numbers would place it well ahead of many current high-end desktop processors. This leap is largely attributed to a new 10-core CPU configuration that combines 4 high-performance super cores with 6 efficiency cores. Built on TSMC's advanced third-generation 3-nanometer process, this architecture is not just about raw speed. It is designed to maximize efficiency while minimizing heat output, which is crucial in such a compact form factor. Thermal management appears to be another area where Apple is pushing boundaries. Leaks Arabictat Arabicrat to a 3D stacked thermal design that allows heat to dissipate more effectively. This means the Mac Mini can sustain peak performance for longer periods without throttling, even under heavy workloads like video rendering or software compilation. For a device this small, that level of thermal efficiency is a major achievement. For power users, the M5 Pro variant could be even more groundbreaking. Reports suggest Apple may move away from traditional efficiency cores in favor of a combination of high-performance and entirely new supercores. This shift could push multi-core scores close to 29,000, putting it in direct competition with chips that were previously reserved for much more expensive machines. In practical terms, that means faster rendering, smoother multitasking, and a noticeable boost in professional workflows. Graphics performance is also expected to take a significant leap forward. The base model is rumored to include 10 GPU cores, while the Pro version will feature a much more powerful configuration. With improvements estimated at around 45% over the previous generation, tasks like 8K video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-based processing will become far more fluid. This is not just an incremental improvement. It is a generational jump that could make the Mac Mini a serious contender even for creative professionals. One of the most talked about changes involves storage and pricing. For years, Apple has faced criticism for offering limited base storage with expensive upgrade options. That may finally change with the M5 generation. The base model is expected to start at $699, but include 512 GB of storage as standard, effectively eliminating the outdated 256 GB tier. While the starting price appears higher on paper, the added storage makes it a much better value overall. Previously, upgrading to 512 GB would have cost an additional $100, so users are essentially getting more for their money. The M5 Pro model could push this even further by offering 1 TB of storage as its baseline. This dramatically enhances its value proposition, especially when compared to more expensive machines like the Mac Studio. For many users, the performance gap will be small enough that the Mac Mini becomes the smarter purchase. Connectivity is another area where the M5 Pro model shines. Leaks Arabictat Arabicrat to the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5, offering transfer speeds up to 120 GB/s. This opens the door to ultra-fast external storage, multiple high-resolution displays, and professional-grade accessories. It is a level of connectivity that was previously reserved for top-tier systems, now becoming available in a much more affordable package. As for the release timeline, industry insiders like Mark Gurman suggest that Apple may unveil the new Mac Mini at WWDC 2026 in June. This would align with Apple's strategy of showcasing major hardware updates alongside software innovations. If that timeline holds, pre-orders could begin immediately after the keynote, with shipments starting by mid-June. Another key focus of the M5 chip is artificial intelligence. The new neural engine is expected to deliver up to 4 times the AI processing power of its predecessor. This makes the Mac Mini an ideal machine for running local AI models, enabling advanced photo editing, video enhancement, and even large language model processing without relying on cloud services. This not only improves performance, but also enhances privacy by keeping sensitive data on device. The software side will play a crucial role as well. The next version of macOS is expected to be deeply optimized for the M5 architecture, with system-wide AI features integrated into everyday tasks. From writing assistants to image generation and smarter voice interactions, the experience will feel faster, more responsive, and more intelligent. For creators, developers, and everyday users alike, the improvements in unified memory bandwidth will further enhance performance. Faster data sharing between the CPU and GPU means smoother multitasking and more efficient workflows. This is one of the key advantages of Apple Silicon, and it continues to evolve with each generation. Ultimately, the M5 Mac Mini represents something rare in the tech world, a product that genuinely pushes boundaries while also improving value. It combines cutting-edge performance, thoughtful design, and a more consumer-friendly pricing structure. Whether you are a student, a developer, or a professional creator, this machine offers an incredible balance of power and affordability. As the launch approaches, excitement will only continue to build. While minor details may still change, the overall picture is clear. This is not just another update. It is a redefinition of what a compact desktop can achieve. The Mac Mini M5 is poised to set a new standard, and when it arrives, it could very well dominate its category.